FDA Advisory Committee has now recommended the Johnson & Johnson vaccine to be approved by the full FDA.
And while the approval process moves forward, workers right here in Grand Rapids are already hard at work manufacturing that vaccine. Our Lauren Edwards joins us live after getting a look at where that all happens. Lauren.
Yeah, Doug and Ann, I got a chance to go near the room where it was happening at the Grand River Aseptic Manufacturing building behind me. Now, I spoke with them. They are excited about the process. And also, we all heard an hour ago an FDA FDA advisory panel approving, recommending that it get the full approval from the FDA. And that's a green light that could be happening by the end of the weekend.
The biggest thing is every vial is a patient. And that patient is somebody's loved one, and we take that responsibility very seriously.
It's why the staff at Grand River Aseptic Manufacturing in Grand Rapids have been working nonstop, producing the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine.
When you really think about it, people in the pharmaceutical or biotech industry, that's one of the reasons why you stay in this industry long term, is just because the ability, it's very rewarding to be able to create products that help improve quality of life and even save lives.
VP Steve Knoll says that's what it's all about, saving lives. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine isn't ready to go just yet. It's undergoing a final review by the FDA. But studies have shown that while its efficacy rate isn't as high as Pfizer and Moderna, it does prevent serious illness and death.
We feel like we're definitely helping out and doing everything we can to help. Graham in Michigan, in general, is kind of a humble mentality, but we definitely feel like we fight above our weight class.
And the vaccine has some other pros, like it only requires one dose and can be stored in regular refrigerators rather than freezers. And Knoll is hopeful it will soon become a third option approved for emergency release.
Hopefully soon the Johnson & Johnson product will also be released, and there'll be more doses, going to market at that time.
And so when I asked him about, how many doses have they manufactured already, he says at this time they cannot release that information. Again, they're waiting for full approval from the FDA. After that, it goes off to the CDC for a final stamp. Reporting live here in Grand Rapids, Lauren Edwards, Fox 17 News.
All right, thank you for that, Lauren. Exciting stuff.
Yeah.
And just like with Pfizer, it's really nice to see it happening
exactly.
right here.